Welcome in our house. My name is Gia and this is my home. My life after graduating from college and moving to SF was a bit hectic, and my main theme was to make my room as naturey and green and colorful as possible. So I mostly got my furniture from Urban Outfitters. My bed is the highlight of my room. The pillows have a patchy vintage look. I've incorporated a lot of colors to evoke my love for creating, painting, and simply like having fun during my free time. So this youthful or like childish aspect of my personality is evident in all of the collectibles I've gathered. I've been living in San Francisco for about 2 years or like 1.5 years now. Starting a food review account has allowed me to like explore hidden gems and meet various people in different neighborhoods. So it's actually bittersweet to think that I may soon leave the city as I apply for grad school. But for now, I'm just living every moment and enjoying all that San Francisco is giving me.